Seen a holographic screen that's both transparent and tough? Today we'll unpack an upgraded holographic display. From circuitry to materials, from brightness to cooling, every detail engineered for stability and stunning visuals. A common on-site risk is mixing up A and B panels, which can damage modules. We've added auto detection and electronic protection at the circuit and firmware level. During connection, the system detects panel sequence and engages a protection mode, blocking reverse current or incorrect drive, significantly reducing burn-in risk from assembly mistakes. The panel uses a 4-layer PCB with 2-ounce copper foil. Many rivals use 1 ounce. That brings 3 benefits: higher current capacity to support brighter output, improved lateral heat spreading for better thermal performance and less LED burnout, and easier compliance with EMC requirements for a more stable, interference-resistant system. This screen reaches up to 4,500 nits, roughly plus 1,000 nits above typical models. Combined with black-face LEDs and optics optimized for deep blacks, you get higher contrast and richer image depth while preserving transparency. We use a 3.0mm aperture versus the more common 2.9mm. The larger aperture increases overall transparency, allowing more background depth and ambient light through while maintaining strong contrast and detail. Ideal for premium retail windows, flagship stores, hotel lobbies, transit hub displays, and stage/exhibit installations. This isn't just a pretty screen. It's a comprehensive upgrade in reliability, brightness, thermal control, and transparency. Want your storefront to stand out or your facade to stay see-through? Contact us now to start your space's next chapter.